Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use voice changer on the Monkey app. First, open your browser and search for VoiceWave on Google. Then go to the official website, download it, then install and open the software. I already have it installed. Now, choose any voice you want to use. After that, open your browser and go to the Monkey app. If you already allowed camera and microphone access before, click the camera icon in the URL bar and reset the permissions. Then reload the page. Now select your camera and choose VoiceWave mic as your microphone. And that's it. Your voice changer is ready to use on Monkey app. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.